In this video we'll show you the top 5 reasons why this is the best 4K HDR10 USB Type-C monitor you can buy right now. Let's go! So what's up guys, Fabri here and welcome to Shades of Tech. This is my new LG 27UK850-W. In a recent video we made the full unboxing, so definitely check it out and you'll find all the information about this product in the description. So the main feature of course is the display. It features a 4K image with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 at full 60 Hz. It comes from LG tradition of beautiful 4K display they made for the past 3 years. And this new model features of course IPS and HDR10, so it's also for professional use, really perfect for photographer, graphic designers, and since it's really accurate I got it for video editing. It covers 99% of sRGB colors. The color gamma is really eye-pleasing, and this is the comparison with my 2013 non-5K iMac display. The only thing I personally don't like is the matte finish on the screen. Of course it improves angle vision, but I really prefer the iMac gloss finish. Anyway, it's a really glorious display, I promise. The feature number 2 is USB Type-C and peripherals. This is the top of gamma model of LG displays. It delivers Thunderbolt 3 port aka USB Type-C, so it makes the perfect companion for your MacBook Pro or your shiny new iPad Pro. It can deliver with only one cable, power, 4K output and data to your MacBook. It is really minimal, easy to use and fast, so you can work on your laptop around the world, then go home, just plug in one cable, charge the battery and download all your work on your SSD connected to the display. The connectivity with the display quality are in my opinion the two drives for this display. There are tons of ports and connection, 2 HDMI 2.0, 2 DisplayPort 2.2, 2 USB 3.0 and of course an audio output. It also has speakers. All the things plugged to the display directly go to your MacBook through USB-C cable. I'm using this display both with my iMac with HDMI and MacBook Pro with USB-C, just changing the input on the display without swapping any cable. I'm really loving the combo MacBook Pro, LG 27UK850-W display and Apple Watch. Just sit, connect USB-C and unlock with Apple Watch and I'm ready to edit. I fall in love with the design of this display because it's really beautiful and minimal, and this is the way I want to go. It is perfect on my new white desk. Virtually it's borderless on 3 sides. It's really glorious. My idea is to get another one. Should I do it? Perfect with the Mac Pro that will come out probably this year, and I can bet that NKBHD will get 2 of those. Of course, I hope in the future they can make it with smaller bezels, since it's not really borderless, it has a small bezel around. So when you put 2 of those displays side by side you have a small gap, so this display is also really good for gamers. It's not of course a 144Hz beast for PC gamers, but it's perfect for console gamers like PS4 Pro or Xbox One X. I tested it with my PS4 Pro. In my new studio I installed an HDMI switch that lets me switch target display between my LG OLED 4K TV and this display. Of course it fully supports 4K with solid 60 FPS. You just have to be careful to use at least a 2.0 HDMI cable to get full sRGB color gamma. This display handles PS4 Pro out really well and it makes a really pleasing game experience and beautiful gaming station. It's really sharp and honestly having so many pixels so close to my eyes is really enjoyable. Of course it supports HDR10 and with software setting you can choose the picture mode you prefer according to the game you are playing. There is a dedicated gaming mode with 3 new features for gamers. You have Radeon FreeSync that reduces tearing and stuttering that happen when the refresh rate can't keep up with the fast image. and creates a really smooth image. Dynamic action sync and black stabilizer improve your gaming experience even further. In the gaming mode, you can customize all those aspects to get the best experience you can possibly have. And last but not the least, the pivot that lets you adjust the height, swivel and rotate in order to get the perfect setting you want. The stand is really heavy and solid, and even though I don't like the design, there are no problems of shaking at all, so I'm really happy about that. There is also a Visa mount and I'm quite considering to wall mount it. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, a like will be super appreciated, and go really 4K HDR on the subscribe button for more videos like this. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!